HVAC class. Right now we are doing our identification of an Orifice Tube AC system in a Ford. So there's the back of the compressor with the high and low side lines coming out of them all the way under. Comes out of the compressor as a high temperature, high pressure gas. It goes into the condenser where it experiences subcool. It comes out of the condenser as a high pressure, high temperature liquid. Comes out on this line. Here's the high pressure switch on the high pressure side. Follow this line. Here's the coupler for the high side. This is the Orifice tube, where it turns into a low pressure, low temperature gas/liquid mist. Follow that line to the firewall where it goes into the evaporator as low temperature, low pressure gas/liquid, experiences subheat, superheat, and it comes out as a low pressure, low temperature gas/liquid, goes into the accumulator dryer. This is the low pressure side switch right here. The accumulator stores excess refrigerant and takes the low side back into the compressor as a low pressure, low temperature gas. And the line goes all the way back down into the compressor.